My name is Stephen Fink. I am involved in the digital group activities, which means that I'm looking after the digital initiatives within the company of Michelin, not just in France, but also around the world. So IoT at Michelin is more and more important as it relates to the ability to capture different data, either from the vehicle or from the tires or even from the drivers, so that we can look into the driver behavior, into the vehicle behavior, and how that impacts what the tires are doing, the capabilities of the tires, how we're doing the research and development to develop the future of tires. The more data that we can capture, the more data that we can analyze, the better we can meet the real world needs. We recently launched Michelin Tire Care, which is a service offer for fleets of vehicles in the truck and bus industry. So it's either going to be over-the-road trucks or fleets, urban fleets. It allows the client to trace and track their tire utilization. So from the moment that they receive the tire, what vehicle the tires are going on, the use conditions for the tires, pressure and temperature, and how quickly their tires are wearing out. They can then do their own analysis based on the different aspects that they want. Maybe they want to compare two different tires on two different types of vehicles. It enables the client to really have a better understanding of his tire and his fleets. But most importantly, the biggest problem that we have with the fleet industry for buses and trucks is that 1/3 of every breakdown of a vehicle is tied to tires. Okay, and out of those 1/3 of the breakdowns that are on tires, 90% of that is due to bad pressure control. So the more that we can help the clients really understand and control their tire pressures, the better off they are, because they have a lot less breakdowns, they have a lot better performance out of their tires. So with Sigfox, we worked with Sigfox and with another company called LDL here in Toulouse to integrate the Sigfox protocol into one of their TPMS sensors. So this way, as the vehicle is driving down the road, we have real-time information if there's a vehicle loss of pressure or a tire loss of pressure, or if the tire is starting to run too hot. This does not require a lot of additional hardware to be installed on the vehicle. A lot of times if you have a fleet, they've already got their own telematics system, they've already got their own onboard systems, and saying, okay, we've got this thing that we want to put on your truck, it's going to require another thing plugged into your CAN bus and all of that. They're very hesitant to do that. But if you have something that's enabled with Sigfox, the Captor itself is enabled with Sigfox, install the Captor on the rim, and the client's happy because all that you do is you touch his rim, which is what you're going to do anyway. The benefits are we know better the uses for our clients. It helps us in the research and development to develop the tire of the future. Michelin is very, very safety driven. The more that we can give information in real time, or in near real time about the tire, whether the pressure is good, whether the rate of wear is good, the safer the vehicles are that use our tires. One of our big initiatives right now at Michelin is redoing our customer relationship management system. So we've got a huge project that's called Engage that is based on Salesforce. And being able to take the information that we're gathering from a little chip inside of a little tire and being able to send that through our tire information system into Salesforce, that will help us to really complete the circle of, okay, I've got this little piece of information that's now helping us be a better provider to our clients. It's going directly to the account managers, it's going directly to the fleet and their fleet portals. They have a better visibility and a better overview of how their fleet is performing based on their tire information. So anything that's going to be revolutionary and help us to revolutionize the world of mobility, and we see that more and more with digital. The more data we have, the more we can leverage that data, the more we can transform the lives of people that use our products.